pop-up sprinklers are designed for small to medium lawns. They can deliver a fine, uniform, small to medium droplet size spray and come in two distinct categories: no-nozzle flush cap pop-up sprinklers or pre-installed nozzle pop-up sprinklers. The no-nozzle pop-up sprinklers come with a pre-installed flush cap. The flush cap allows the water pipes to be easily flushed without removing the flush cap. These pop-ups provide design flexibility and a customised system by allowing you to select different styles of nozzles after the pipes have been flushed clean. The pop-up sprinklers with pre-installed nozzles come in two styles: spray and rotating stream nozzles. The spray style has a small to medium water droplet size and delivers a soft misting type spray. Spray style pop-ups are available with variable or fixed arc spray nozzles. Variable angle nozzles allow you to adjust the spray angle to suit your requirements between 0 to 360 degrees, whereas the fixed angled nozzles give you a precise quarter, half and full circle arc. The pop-up sprinklers with pre-installed rotating stream nozzles are available in fixed quarter, half or full circle arcs. They deliver a multiple jet type spray with medium to large water droplets that throw further than spray nozzles and are effective in windy conditions. For more information on pop-up sprinklers, visit our website at holmanindustries.com.au.